Laughing Loon presents Building Ootek, Part 12. The kayak pictured here is Ootek, designed and being built by Rob Max. The building shown here is a condensed version of the more detailed information in my instruction books and how-to videos available on my website. In Part 11 of Building Ootek, we finished all the varnishing. Now it's time to outfit the boat. I'm applying contact cement to the hull bottom. Contact cement has already been applied to the underside of the seat. While that dries, I'm going to install the foot braces. The seat is carefully placed and pressed in place so the contact cement will hold it firmly. I'm cutting slots in the back edge of the seat. There are legs that hold the backrest upright, which will fit into these slots. I attach the backrest to the bulkhead with shock cord so that the backrest won't fold forward when you slide yourself in. And finally, the adjusters for the backrest are connected to blocks under the coaming sides of the hull. Thigh pads are cemented under the sides of the cockpit coaming. And gasket tape is applied to all the hatch covers inside the magnet ring, where it will be pressed into the bead on the deck lip of the hatch openings to create a waterproof seal. Here I'm installing the skeg. This is the control line, and the green line is the shock cord which pulls the skeg up, so that once the skeg is pushed in place, there is the screw you can see in the slot. That screw is going to be tightened down over the pin, which is the pivot point for the skeg. By up, I mean the shock cord pulls the skeg down in the full deployed position. The other end of the skeg control line comes up through the deck next to the coaming. There is a jam cleat that controls the position of the skeg, and the control line is fixed to this Loon, which is the handle which you use to adjust the position of the skeg. There are magnets hidden under the deck, and there's a magnet you can see on the bottom of the Loon. And so that as the Loon is pulled and the jam cleat is positioned, the skeg will come down, move it a little bit, half skeg all the way, skeg all the way up, and then you can release it from the jam cleat to drop the skeg down again. The excess cord used for adjustment is wound into a hole inside the Loon, and then a metal brace holds it in place. Deck lines are threaded through holes at the shear line, and adjustment bars and beads are put in place. The other ends of the shock cord are laced through holes, and I have waterproof fittings inside that have caps and screws on them, preventing any water from entering the hull. Quick release fittings on the tethers for the hatch covers are epoxied in place. The hatch tether is snapped into the deck tether, and the hatch covers are put in place. These seals and beads and fish effigies are laced onto the shock cord on the foredeck to complete the kayak outfitting. Almost all the actual construction takes place in my second floor shop. Here I'm handing the finished Ootek down to my wife Sandy. This kayak sees the first full rays of the sun. I tie down the new Ootek to take it down to the beach for its christening. On my way to the beach, I pass over Townsend Gut. This bridge spans between Boothbay Harbor to the north and Southport Island on the south. Hendrick's Head Beach, where we're going to launch, is on Southport Island. And here is Hendrick's Head Beach. I can't wait to get the new boat in the water.
What's that weighing, 30 pounds?
And another Ootek is launched into the North Atlantic. Beer and salt water. A good combination. Ootek is a beautiful boat that handles like a dream. Such a smooth glide. What a great profile. So smooth she hardly leaves a wake. And here we are again at one of my favorite spots, Hendrick's Head Lighthouse, on Hendrick's Head on the Sheepscott Bay. Looking south, way in the distance, is Seguin Island and Seguin Light at the opening of the Kennebec River. Well, I want to thank you for your patience and hope you enjoyed all the parts of Building Ootek from boards to beach. Here we are on the water. Our journey of Building Ootek from boards to beach is now complete. And now a new journey starts. This finished kayak will travel places, who knows? Maybe I'll paddle it. Maybe it'll be sold in a week and go to who knows where. Thanks for watching. For more information on my strip building techniques, see my shop tips pages at laughingloon.com. Full plans for the Sea Kayak Ootek, along with many other canoe and kayak plans, instruction books, and how-to videos are available at my website, laughingloon.com.